So Chris Way invented this thing called the Pace Lid. And he posted a challenge on Facebook or Instagram the other day asking everybody to talk about what's in their lid. So I thought I would share with you this part of kit that I've been carrying for a while. This is the Pace Lid. It sits on top of a Klean Kanteen or an Nalgene bottle, any of the standard wide mouth bottles that are on the market. I like the metal one because it's a good solid container, but I can also heat it over a fire if I'm camping or doing outdoor stuff. Inside the lid is storage. And you can carry a whole kit within it. And here's what I have in mind. The first thing on top is a little whistle. These whistles are 3D printed out of glow-in-the-dark material, and it's available as an emergency or a signaling device that is available in my pocket all the time. Second thing I have here is a loop of cordage with a pocket compass on the end of it. That way I have my cordage covered and I have my compass covered. Got a little fire kit. I make this with matches, strike anywhere matches, a little bit of striking surface, some dryer lint with some wax, paraffin melted into it. It makes a great catch for the spark, and it keeps fire burning for just a couple of minutes when you need it. Next up is a bundle of cordage, just some nylon cord. Replace shoelaces or fix gear if you need to. It's all available right there. Fish hook and some filament. A couple of Band-Aids. You can always have Band-Aids. Use Band-Aids out of this kit more often than just about anything else that I carry. Striking surface for the matches. A couple of bouillon cubes. Can make a quick soup while you're out in the field. Light a fire, heat your cup, throw some bouillon cubes in, give you a little pick-me-up when you're cold and wet and out in a remote area. And then some little packets of ibuprofen in case you have bumps and scrapes and cuts and injuries that you need. A little 4x4 bandage for those larger injuries. And that's it. It all packs down into this small container. And it's easy to share, easy to store. And what's nice is I always keep it with me, so I don't have to think about, do I have the essentials that I need? Thanks a lot. Have a great day.